Physics Academy. The uncertainty relation applies to any pair of dynamical variables. A pair of dynamical variables to operate corresponding to which do commit. A pair of dynamical variables, the operators corresponding to which do not commit. Okay, x and px only. Okay, what is meant by commit and do not commit? Suppose we can take this two operator a comma b is equal to 0 and is not equal to 0, is equal to 0, commit. This will be, we can say, commit. And this is not equal to 0, not commit, or do not commit, not commit. Okay, what is the uncertainty principle? Like a delta x delta px is equal to, or this is approximately equal to h cross, or we can take the harmonic oscillator, we're getting h cross by 2, Gaussian type of this function, then we're getting this uncertainty is equal to h cross by 2. What is the meaning of that? This meaning of that, we cannot measure this quantity simultaneously and precisely. These two words is very important for commutator. We can measure simultaneously and precisely these two quantity. Then we can say they are commit to each other. Okay, these two quantity cannot simultaneously and precisely. At the same time, we can accurate measurement commit. At the same time, we cannot measure two quantity accurately. Then we can say they do not commit to each other. Okay. Now suppose here function wave is like that. Okay. Here time is suppose 10 a.m. Okay. We can find out at a point A, position and momentum simultaneously. Simultaneously means at a 10 a.m. means simultaneously. Precisely means suppose whatever the x value, suppose the position is 2, suppose, and momentum is 4. Okay. We can measure separately at a different time. We are getting suppose 2 and 4 answer, and we can measure at the same time. We are getting again the same answer 2 and 4. Then we can say they are commit to each other. Okay. And the second one at the 10 a.m. we are getting the answer x is equal to 2 and momentum p is equal to 4. Okay. But here we can find out the actual value separately. At that time we are getting, suppose this is a 2.1. Here we are getting the 4.1 or 4.2, like that. Okay. Means here is a small correction in this case. Yes or no? We cannot this quantity measured simultaneously and precisely. Okay. For this case, uncertainty principle is applied. Yes or no? Uncertain means some variation is there. Uncertain words itself indicate that this is not a certain, means this is a variation in this case. This one is not a exactness. Got it? Means here is a uncertain. Now we know that a commutator x comma px is equal to h cross. What is the meaning of that? Means here these two quantity do not commit to each other. Means this quantity cannot find at a simultaneously and precisely at the same time. Okay. Means here we getting some error for measurement of these two quantities. Okay. Then we can say this one is not a commit. Okay. Now means delta x delta px is equal to h cross is only applicable. This quantity cannot measured simultaneously and precisely. Got it? Means here we need to, this commutator relation is not equal to 0. Then and then only we can say these two quantity are cannot be simultaneously and precisely measurable. Okay. Means this condition must be satisfied. Then and then only we can say uncertainty principle is applicable. Suppose we can take the x comma py is equal to 0. Yes or no? X comma py is equal to 0. Means these are dynamical pairs. Here we can measure the position in x direction and momentum in y direction will be simultaneously and precisely. Exact value. Okay. Means they are commit to each other. Okay. Means in this case uncertainty principle is not applicable. Means commutator is, this is commit. Uncertainty principle is not applicable. Now x and px. Yes. X and px is equal to h cross. This is not equal to 0. Means uncertainty principle hold good for x and px. Okay. But what is important thing is that only this is not only applicable for this one. We can measure energy and time. At that time also we are getting some uncertainty. Delta E into delta T is equal to h cross. Yes or no? Means this dynamical pair also uncertainty principle is applicable. We can take the angular momentum and theta. At that time, so uncertainty principle is applicable. Means not applicable for x and px. This is applicable for all another quantity also. Means this option is not correct. Got it? Next. Any pair of dynamicals. Any pair of dynamicals. Not only for this one. Any pair of dynamicals. A comma b. X comma px is equal to I square. For this dynamical pair, this is applicable. But this is not applicable for x comma py or delta x delta py is not applicable. For this case, this uncertainty relation is not applicable. Means this is applicable for particular values. This is not applicable for all variables. Got it? Means this option also not correct. Now focus on these two quantities or two options. A pair of dynamical variables to operate a corresponding which do commit. Commits means zero. Commits means zero. What is the meaning of that? This will be simultaneously and precisely measurable. Got it? That this is simultaneously and precisely measurable means no uncertain here. No uncertainty principle is not applicable. Uncertainty principle is not applicable. A pair of dynamical variables, the operation corresponding to which do not commit. Do not commit. This what is very important. This is do not commit means we're getting some uncertain in case. Okay? Means which option is correct here? Option number C is correct. Got it?